In this video, you will learn how to change your LLC address in New Jersey. Visit the New Jersey Division of Revenue or Enterprise Service website. Go to the official Business Service portal to access your LLC forms and filing instructions. Select the correct form. Choose the Certificate of Amendment form to update your LLC's principal office or registered office address. Complete the full form. Enter your LLC's legal name, your current address, the new address you're moving to, and any other information you wish to update. Review the information, double check all the details are correct to ensure accuracy before submission to prevent any delays. Submit the forms and pay the fee. File the forms online or by mail, or pay the filing fee as required by New Jersey. Update other records. After approval, notify the IRS, bank, licensing authority, and any other relevant parties or businesses to ensure that all correspondence directed to your new LLC's address. Now you know how to change your LLC address in New Jersey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.